Hi, this is Doc from Moose Moss Press, here to tell you about another great book called Maximizing Student Engagement in the Classroom. Surveys of students show that when teachers ask questions, about 60% of students are not even thinking of an answer. Increasing student engagement is easy, yet does not happen by chance. In this book, you will learn things like strategies for using dry erase boards for increasing student engagement and the numerous benefits when using dry erase boards. We know that we can increase student engagement by 10 to 20 times. You will learn how to maximize participation and thinking during question and response sessions. You will learn how to use boards for review games. You will learn 5 strategies to use with the larger boards. We know that students have great difficulty with graph construction and interpretation, so in this book you will learn how to use graphing boards to help students become better graphers. Maximizing Student Engagement in the Classroom. This book is a must-have for every teacher who wants to significantly increase student engagement and learning.